Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth head-to-head comparison review between these two crypto platforms to help you decide which of these you should choose for your crypto platform, which is Fidelity Crypto and Coinbase. So let's quickly dive into it. So let's get started. Fidelity Crypto is a great platform for investors who want a simple and a secure way to buy Bitcoin or Ethereum directly through their existing Fidelity account. It's beginner friendly, it has no trading commission and feel reliable thanks to the Fidelity's strong financial reputation on that aspect. Then the downside is that it's limited coin selection. It also lack of wallet flexibility, which can frustrate users who want to move or trade freely. So talking about Coinbase, on the other hand, it offers a wider range of coins, easier transfer, and more featured for active traders. However, its fees can be higher and the interface may feel a bit overwhelming for beginners. So if you want an ease and trust, go with Fidelity Crypto, but if you prefer flexibility and more crypto options, Coinbase win. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.